In this video, I'll show you how to use Perplexity AI to write a professional business bio. Let's get started. I begin by heading to the Perplexity homepage and clicking on the search bar to enter my first request. I'm starting with a prompt asking for a 100-word bio for a freelance graphic designer named Sarah Jenkins, including her experience and specialty. After I click the arrow, the AI quickly generates a professional bio that highlights Sarah's 8 years of expertise and her specific focus on minimalist brand identities for tech startups. This result effectively balances her technical skills with her location in Austin, creating a polished narrative that is ready for a portfolio or a LinkedIn profile. Next, I want to try a different style of writing, so I move down to the follow-up box at the bottom of the screen. I'm requesting an engaging About Us section for a family-owned sourdough bakery in Denver called The Golden Crust. Once I hit enter, Perplexity produces a warm, community-focused bio that emphasizes the bakery's organic ingredients and its long history of serving the neighborhood since 2015. The AI perfectly captures the inviting, family-oriented feel of the business while keeping the text concise and professional. This process shows just how simple it is to generate tailored business descriptions for any industry. Whether you are a solo freelancer or a local shop owner, these results provide a high-quality starting point for your branding. It's a fast and efficient way to get professional copy without the stress of writing from scratch. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.